Tired of juggling SketchUp, 3D Max, and V-Ray just to finish one project? Coohom's got you covered. Stop wasting time on switching between tools and waiting for renderings to complete. What if you could do it all in one place and much faster? Let me show you how Coohom can change the game. This all-in-one, cloud-based 3D design software simplifies your entire workflow. Whether you're a pro designer or a beginner, Coohom makes it easy to get professional results. You can go from a floor plan to a fully designed project in minutes. Just drag, drop, and render. No design experience needed. It's that simple. Now let's talk about Coohom's biggest strength. Its ultra-fast rendering engine. Save up to 86% of your time compared to other tools. Whether you're producing 360-degree tours or high-quality videos, Coohom has you covered. Impress clients with stunning visuals without breaking the bank. And Coohom doesn't just save you time, it saves you money too. High-quality rendering can be expensive, but with Coohom's built-in templates and customizable camera settings, you can create impressive walkthroughs and videos without the hefty costs. If you're ready to streamline your workflow, save time, and cut costs, click below and start designing today. Trust me, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Simplify your products and boost your productivity now.